If a ball is thrown vertically upward with speed u, the distance covered during the last t second of its ascent is. So let's say we have two levels here. We are throwing a ball from point A, let's say with some velocity u, at point B, that is at maximum point, topmost point, final velocity will be 0. Now time taken by the particle to reach maximum point is, let's say it is capital T, time of ascent. We know that time of ascent can be written as capital T is equal to u by g. Now what is the distance covered during the last t second of its ascent is, suppose in last t second this particle is covering a distance of d. So at just the start of last t second, particle is at this point, let's say this point is c. Suppose the particle is moving with velocity v1. Now if the time taken by particle to cover this much distance, that is d, is equal to t second, then we can say the time taken by the particle to reach from point A to point C is equal to capital T minus t. So we can find velocity v1 from this data, that is v is equal to u plus at. v1 is equal to u plus acceleration is minus g into time taken is t minus t. So this is the value of v1. v1 is equal to u minus g into capital T minus t. This is the value of velocity at point C. Now see, we can solve this. See, v1 is equal to, can be written as u minus gt plus gt. So see, from this equation we can write u is equal to g into capital T. So v1 is equal to this u is equal to g into capital T minus g into capital T plus gt. So this gt will get cancelled out. v1 can be written as g into small t. So this is the velocity at point C. Now I want to find which distance? I want to find this d distance, right? So to find value of d here, I am going to use s is equal to ut plus half at square, where in this period from point C to point B. So yes, distance covered is d, velocity is v1, v1 is gt into time taken is t plus 1 by 2, acceleration is minus g into t square. So d is equal to gt square minus 1 by 2 gt square. So d is equal to 1 by 2 gt square. So option B is a correct one, right?